you're a college student, does this sound familiar? You go home and look for your class notes. After looking through your notes for 10 minutes, you run into a situation where you're confused about something you wrote. If only there's a way you can listen to the lecture again. Well, what if I tell you that there is one device that could potentially help you with everything I have just described and can potentially change your studying experience?
What's up guys, David here, and today I'm going to be introducing one device that will make taking notes so much easier, especially in college. But before I do that, I would like to kindly ask everyone who finds this video valuable to go and leave a like, as this helps me defeat the evil YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe to this channel, as I will be making videos like this every single week. And if you're a student like me, you will definitely benefit from these videos. So you and I can both agree that taking notes is a huge part of learning, especially in college, since these professors love to cover a ton of information at once, and it is simply impossible to remember everything a professor says. So, the moment you guys have been waiting for, this amazing device that every college student could use is, drum roll please, it is an iPad. Just as a quick disclaimer, I am obviously not sponsored by Apple. I just feel like this is just such an amazing tool that I just have to make a video about it. Now, I know an iPad may be out of the budget for some people since iPads are expensive, but the benefits are endless. Let me hop onto my iPad to show you some of the unique features that an iPad has that can make life for college students a lot easier.
Now, since you'll be taking notes with this, you will need an iPad that is compatible with an Apple Pencil, which unfortunately means you'll probably have to settle for one of the newer ones.
However, please don't stress, because if an iPad is what it takes to make you more efficient when you study, it is worth the investment. So here's a list of iPads that would work with an Apple Pencil. So if you have any of these already, all you need to do is bring it to college and maybe buy an Apple Pencil, which is like $99.
Anyways, my iPad is the 3rd generation iPad Air, and that with an Apple Pencil costed me about $550.
Now, if you're really on a budget, I recommend getting one of those Surface laptops where you can actually take notes and work on your assignments at the same time. I personally do not recommend that you get an iPad to substitute as a laptop. Now, before I talk about the app I like to use to take notes with, I would like to introduce an iPad feature that will make studying very convenient for you. So this feature basically allows you to have 2 apps on the same screen.
All you have to do is have an app open and drag the other app from the bottom bar and drag it onto the screen. Now you can see the 2 apps at once.
So if you're someone who hates carrying around a textbook and prefers a digital textbook like me, this is for you. Anyways, now I'll talk about an app I use to take notes. Now, if you watch other videos about which note-taking app is better on the iPad, there's usually a debate between GoodNotes and Notability. I personally prefer Notability because it has one feature that GoodNotes just does not have, that makes taking notes in lectures a lot easier. I'll talk about this specific feature in a little bit, and if you want me to make a detailed comparison video, go ahead and let me know in the comments below, and I may make one. Now I'll show you some of the great features that Notability has. So when you write something, you can easily adjust the size of the words you write. You can also copy and paste pictures from the internet and easily paste it here, as well as writing over these pictures. So if you're someone who likes to learn with visuals, this is for you. Now here's this feature that I was talking about that only Notability offers, which is basically what I like to call the voice recording feature. Basically, when your professor is talking, you can actually record all of it here. Not only that, but this app also keeps track of what you write when the professor speaks. So here's a quick demonstration. All you need to do to activate this feature is to press on the microphone button. Now, this app will record everything that it detects. It will also start recording what you write. That way you can backtrack and listen. So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to record what I'm saying right now, and I'm also going to write something. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go write hi there, and my handwriting is terrible. Another thing I really like about this is that it makes your handwriting look pretty good. So yeah, I went ahead and wrote something, so I'm just going to pause this, and as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and turn this out into on. Okay. So now let's play it.
Now, this app will record everything that
See.
it detects.
Now something that also I find really cool is it's actually tracking what you wrote when you do it. So
That way you can backtrack and list demonstration.
you see here,
So,
it can.
I'm just going to go ahead and do that.
As you can see here.
Hi there, my handwriting is terrible.
Yep. So yeah, that pretty much records everything, and it also tells you what you wrote when the professor's talking. So as you can see, what I said was recorded. I personally believe that this feature can be a lifesaver when it comes to studying for difficult classes. Anyways, that's all I have. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want me to make a video where I compare GoodNotes with Notability, or a video where I talk about all of the features of Notability, because of course I didn't cover every single one, I only covered the more important ones that I'm pretty sure most of you guys will need, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.